KTM 390 Duke Best Motorcycle for Beginners. Entering the world of motorcycling is an exhilarating journey, marked by the search for the ideal motorcycle that blends performance, accessibility, and safety. The KTM 390 Duke has emerged as a frontrunner in this quest, establishing itself as a quintessential choice for novice riders seeking an extraordinary introduction to the realm of two-wheeled adventures. With its fusion of cutting-edge features, manageable power, and striking aesthetics, the KTM 390 Duke stands tall as an emblem of excellence, embodying the very essence of what makes a motorcycle the best option for beginners. Central to the heart of the KTM 390 Duke is a dynamic 373cc single-cylinder engine, ingeniously engineered to provide a perfect balance between power and approachability. Generating approximately 44 horsepower, this engine offers an optimal blend of performance for both city commutes and spirited rides on twisting backroads. The beauty of the Duke's power delivery lies in its gradual acceleration, allowing novice riders to acclimate themselves to throttle control and speed management without feeling overwhelmed. The KTM 390 Duke's lightweight chassis and nimble handling elevate its status as a masterpiece designed with beginners in mind. Tipping the scales at just a touch over 300 pounds, the Duke boasts agility that is second to none. This exceptional agility translates to effortless navigation through congested urban streets, as well as graceful negotiation of tight corners on country roads. The feather-light nature of the Duke ensures that even riders who are new to motorcycling can revel in a ride that is both controlled and exhilarating. Safety takes center stage when considering a motorcycle for beginners, and the KTM 390 Duke rises to this challenge with exceptional prowess. The motorcycle comes equipped with ABS, anti-lock braking system, as a standard feature, a testament to KTM's unwavering commitment to rider safety. This technology prevents will lock-up during sudden or hard braking, a critical aspect that bolsters rider confidence and preserves stability on the road, especially in emergency situations. Ergonomics is a pivotal aspect that directly influences the comfort and assurance of novice riders. The KTM 390 Duke features an ergonomically sound upright seating position, ensuring an unobstructed view of the road ahead and facilitating a relaxed reach to the handlebars. The seat height is set at a friendly level, granting most riders the advantage of placing both feet flat on the ground, thus bolstering stability when stationary or maneuvering at low speeds. The KTM 390 Duke not only excels in terms of functionality and safety but also dazzles with its captivating aesthetics. Its design radiates modernity and dynamism, drawing inspiration from KTM's larger and more powerful motorcycles. From its razor-sharp lines to its mesmerizing LED lighting, the Duke establishes an enviable aesthetic standard that appeals to both novices and seasoned riders alike. Incorporating advanced technology is a hallmark of the KTM brand, and the 390 Duke proudly upholds this tradition. The digital instrument cluster offers a wealth of pertinent information, presented in a clear and comprehensible manner. This includes crucial details like speed, gear position, fuel level, and more. Moreover, the Duke embraces a slipper clutch, not only elevating gear shifts to a new level of smoothness but also preventing rear wheel instability during aggressive downshifting. Affordability is often a decisive factor for beginners entering the world of motorcycling. In this regard, the KTM 390 Duke shines as a beacon of affordability without compromising on quality. The motorcycle's reasonable price point ensures that a fulfilling and exhilarating motorcycling experience is within reach for a broad spectrum of riders, making it an enticing option for those venturing into the world of two-wheeled exploration. While the KTM 390 Duke offers an exceptional platform for beginners, it's crucial to remember that safety and skill development are paramount. Equipping oneself with high-quality protective gear, including a DOT-approved helmet, riding apparel, gloves, and sturdy footwear, is a non-negotiable aspect of responsible motorcycling. Additionally, enrolling in a certified motorcycle safety course can provide invaluable insights and skills that bolster confidence and competence on the road. In summary, the KTM 390 Duke emerges as an undisputed champion in the realm of motorcycles tailored for beginners. Its blend of controllable power, lightweight construction, safety features, and aesthetic allure coalesce into an unmatched package that caters to an exciting and secure initiation into the world of motorcycling. Be it navigating urban thoroughfares or embracing the thrill of winding paths, the KTM 390 Duke is primed to be a steadfast companion on the extraordinary journey of a budding rider.